Good morning, boys and girls. So today's SEL, ready? The greeting is heart hands, a wave, or a fist bump. So good morning, boys and girls. So today we're going to talk about good character honesty. Remember the last time we talked about good character kindness. So now we're moving on to honesty. Being honest means telling the truth all the time, even when it is not easy. Being honest shows you are responsible, respectful, and fair. So, why do you think it is important to be honest? Because being honest shows you are being responsible, respectful, and fair. It means that you're able to admit your faults, the things you do wrong. I know being honest can be difficult sometimes because you don't want to get in trouble, but I always say, if you lie, you're going to get in bigger trouble than you would if you're being honest. So being honest is a good quality, a good character to have, because think about it. Would you want to be friends with someone who lies to you all the time? I know I wouldn't. So make sure you are honest all the time and that your friends are honest with you. So let's make a pledge. Ready? Raise your right hand and say the pledge. I agree to be honest. I agree to be fair. I will do what's right to show that I care. All right, so you just gave me the pledge, and you just said it, so I expect that you will be honest with me. All right, good job. So now we're going to move on to Haggerty.